Option 1 Official Method Minecraft Marketplace. Actions Stuff 1.4 is available officially on the Minecraft Marketplace and includes realistic animations for players and mobs, enhanced textures and particle effects, custom 3D item models and more. Steps to install. Open Minecraft Bedrock Edition on your device. Go to the Marketplace from the main menu. Use the search bar and type Actions Stuff 1.4. Purchase the pack using Minecoins. Once purchased, the pack will automatically download and be available under Settings Global Resources or Create New World Resource Packs. Option 2 Unofficial Community Versions for Android. If you are using an Android device and want to try the mod via APK. Steps to install APK version. Download the Actions and Stuff 1.4 APK file from a trusted mod site. Go to your phone settings and enable install from unknown sources. Locate the downloaded APK and install it. Open Minecraft and the pack should appear under Settings. Global Resources. Caution: unofficial versions may not be safe or compatible with all devices. Use them at your own risk and always back up your game data. If you are using Windows, iOS, or console and need help installing the pack on those platforms, let me know.